So today we are going to be unboxing a DIY Nail Shack, one of my favorite subscriptions. I have been unboxing it for months. If you don't know anything about it, let's talk about the details. The adult version costs $12.95 a month. If you sign up for multiple months, you can get it for as low as $9.95 a month. And if you use the code Galore, all caps, you get 20% off your first purchase, so it can be even lower. Each month you get 4 nail strips, a nail file, and a cuticle pusher nail strip applicator type tool. It helps push down the nail strips. Anyhow, I love this. Nail strips are just so easy and quick to apply. You can get beautiful designs. I haven't opened this pack up yet, and I am dying to know what came because, you guys, I have seen spoilers. Now, if you don't want to know and you want to be completely surprised, then stay off social media. But if you follow Deanna at DIY Nail Shack, both on Facebook and on Instagram, each month she puts previews of what's coming. You can choose which one's your favorite, and most likely they're going to be in this pack. She tries to customize them as best as possible, and you guys, there were too many for me to choose from in August. Every single picture was fantastic. I was so excited to see what actually came this month. And if you don't get nail strips you want, or if you get nail strips you love and you want new ones, she does have a Facebook page where you can buy nail strips. And I think there are nail strips from previous boxes that maybe she had extras of. And she is really good at not doing repeat nail strips from month to month, so you are always getting a variety. This month we have a little kind of note card from Deanna in our package. It says, "Happy August. I hope you're having an amazing summer. This month it's raining purple here at the Nail Shack. Each pack includes various shades and designs of the most requested color among all Nail Shack surveys. I really hope you enjoyed the nail strips chosen for you this month. Mix and match your sets for fun custom mani." Oh my gosh. So we have everything wrapped in a beautiful purple tissue paper pack. And as we unwrap it, we have our nail file first. This one is a purple glitter nail file, and the back is a very rough sandpaper in very purple color as well, and it is also glittery. I think the light's picking that up. Okay, and then as we continue to unwrap and unfold our little pack, we have our cuticle pusher. And like I said, this little tool is fantastic for pushing your cuticles back, and then also for rubbing down and getting into the little nooks and crannies, especially if you have short nails. Sometimes it's really hard to get down along the edge lines, and this little tool makes applying nail strips so much easier. And then our 4 sets of nail strips. Okay, she has so many gorgeous ones this month. This first one is a black glitter, and then it has chunky pink and blue glitter in it as well. Kind of reminds me of a starry night. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I got these. I loved these. These are kind of Aztec-y type themed design, and I love how the patterns are. You can mix and match. These are beautiful. Just beautiful. Love the set. So glad I got these. These are going on my nails probably today. So gorgeous. Ooh, these are beautiful too. These are kind of a paint splatter, white and blue. It's kind of a blue, a hint of a tealish blue. Black. It's beautiful. Yeah, kind of a silvery white design. Those are beautiful. And then these ones, also gorgeous. These are a watercolor design, and it almost looks like you know, like the Easter egg designs that they do where you like mix shaving cream with food coloring and then you put Easter eggs in it. Well, that's kind of what it looks like. Like, it's just watercolored, swirled together. I love these. There are some ones where I'm just like, okay, 1 or 2 nail strips haven't been my favorite, but these are all beautiful. I am loving August's, and I love the fact that I can get nail strips that I like. Now, of course, she had way more nail strips this month that I loved. I couldn't get them all because you only get 4 in a pack, so I might go on, I'm probably going to go onto her store and see if she has them up there and buy them all. I don't know how I'm ever going to wear all the nail strips I have because they're just gorgeous and they last me like one set. Because I have short nails, I can get 2 nails out of 1 strip. So 1 set lasts me 3 applications. So I can get almost a full month out of 1 set, and you get 4 every month. These are gorgeous. I do give them away to friends and family and sometimes you guys in giveaways. Beautiful. If you're looking for fun designs, absolutely gorgeous designs, nail applications or nail strips, I like them way better than nail polish because they're fast. I mean, I can get a manicure done in 15 minutes with these. They're simple, they're beautiful, they go on so smoothly, so easily, so quickly, and gorgeous designs. Like, I am not a nail technician. There's no way I can get designs like these by myself with nail polish or with just doing tools in general. Like, I am not talented like that. I know some people can get like the watercolor marble effect. Not me. It just looks like a hot mess. But these are so simple to do and wear. Anyhow, I love them. I rave about them all the time. I will try, I fail at this every month, but I will try to post my manicure pictures on Instagram. So if you haven't followed me over there, go ahead, follow me over there. I'm not too active. I try to be, but if you'd like to see what these manicures look like on, I will try to be posting more pictures of that each month. And I hope you have enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day. Love y'all. Bye.